Hey, how's it going? So I'm going to go over how to write an absolute value equation when you have your solutions given, right? So there's a formula. It's pretty much going to be a number x minus your midpoint equals your distance from your midpoint. So that's how you're going to set this up. So first, I have -5 and 1. These are my solutions I'm given, right? So I just make it easy. Just go to a number line, define the midpoint. Multiple ways to find the midpoint. We'll just go to the number line. So we have -5 and 1, right? -5 and 1. How many numbers are between these two? 6 whole numbers are between these two, right? So our distance, our midpoint would be 3, or it would be the distance of 3 from each, meaning it would be here, right? It's like 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So -2 is my midpoint here, right? So let's plug that in for my formula. So x minus my midpoint equals the distance from the midpoint. Alright? And like I said, these numbers will both have the same distance from the midpoint because it's the midpoint, right? So my distance from the midpoint, you saw when I counted, right? That was 3. So that's that. That's all there is to it. Let's clean this up. So x minus -2, that just becomes x plus 2. So my number plus 2, absolute value, equals 3. And this here is my equation right here. And there's just a check. It's too easy. You just plug in these individually as your variable and just solve. So for example, -5, I plug in -5 here. -5 plus 2 gives me -3. Absolute value of that's 3. So that checks out. Now, let me check my 1. Plug in 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. That checks out. So this works. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.